Hi there. Before we dive into this tutorial, kindly consider subscribing to our channel to ensure you never miss an update. Also, a like is very appreciated. Additionally, for our non-English speaking audience, kindly turn on subtitles for a more seamless viewing experience. To do this, just click the settings button on the video player, select subtitles, and choose your preferred language. Let's get started. Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable auto thumbnails on SmartOne Application. Sometimes your playlist provider may not provide movie thumbnails, making it hard to distinguish between movies. Fortunately, SmartOne Application provides an option to auto-get thumbnails for movies and series. Let's see how movies without thumbnails look. As you can see, several items in this playlist don't have a thumbnail. To activate auto thumbnails, follow these simple steps. Navigate to the Settings option in the main menu. Select Setup. Select Application Settings. Scroll down to TMDB Data and click OK. Select Enable and click OK. And just like that, auto thumbnail is activated. Now let's take a look at what happens. As you can see, all items in the playlist now have a thumbnail, thanks to the SmartOne Auto Thumbnail feature. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to enable auto thumbnails on SmartOne Application. With this feature, you can easily distinguish between movies and have a better overall viewing experience. Thank you for using SmartOne Application. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.